Hey everyone, and welcome to another segment of Short and Sweet. So for this segment, I'm going to show you how to use Weld and Slice. We're actually going to recreate what I have on the screen. And you can use welding and slicing for a number of different projects. I think the bolder font is aesthetically pleasing over a thinner font. But I'm going to show you exactly what to do. So I am going to delete all of this and what it does fit. Here. No, give me this. See, look. You just had to push it. See? What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm sorry about that. I'm gonna go over to text, and I wrote down the name of the text that I used, and I did that totally wrong. Sorry. And up here, I'm going to change. What is this doing? Okay, I'm trying to overclick. So sensitive.
My heart. My heart.
So, I'm gonna make this bigger. Now you'll notice in mine that I still had this, but it was further up. I just added it back. That was just a personal preference. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. So I've got my letter. I'm going to come over to shape, put a square, unlock, do that. You want it to be at least a decent size, and you need to go through your entire letter. What I'll do is I'll select it and I'll just center it. That way I know it's in the right place. I'm going to select them both. I'm going to weld, and then I'm going to come back to shapes, square, unlock. Now this you want to go through your other rectangle, otherwise it's not going to look right. And again, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to align it so that looks right. Now I'm going to take it and I'm going to slice, delete that, delete that, delete that. Now I have that, and I'm going to go back over to my text. I'm going to type out the name, and I'm going to go up, and I already picked a font for this, and that was the original font that you saw. I like this one. I think it's nice. So now, I just searched for flourish. I'm sure there's another name for it. I don't know what the technical name is, so don't quote me on flourish either, because it's probably incorrect, but it just happens to give me the result that I'm looking for. So I'm going to leave it there, and I'm just going to duplicate it, move it over here, flip, and now I'm going to select that, and I want to align it, and everything is properly aligned. And to change the color, it's fairly simple. You can just click and change the color. I think I had this as gold. Or no, actually, maybe it was purple. I don't remember my own colors now. Haha. Change that. I think I had that as green. Christmassy. And that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, feel free to drop them below. If you'd like to show me with a different font, if you'd like to show me if you'd like me to show you with a different font or a different letter type or even with an image, comment below and I'll be sure to make one. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye. Happy crafting.